Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. Today's video is just going to be a quick unboxing of the XPG SX8200 SSD. This is an M.2 NVMe SSD, it's 1TB in size. I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing showing you what you get inside the box here. Let's jump right into this. So the actual box of this SSD is pretty standard. It does look pretty nice. We also get some information at the top here about our device. It's got a 3D NAND. It's an NVMe 1.3 SSD. It does have SLC caching. It's got advanced LDPC and it's got a DIY heatsink in the box that I'll be showing you a little bit later on. Opening up the box, all we get is this plastic tray with our SSD and our heatsink inside. And if we take a closer look at our heatsink, we can see it's this black brushed metal along with this kind of red tinted accent on top with the XPG logo. Flipping it over, we can see the actual heatsink and we can see the actual strip of adhesive that sticks the heatsink to our SSD. Looking up close at the SSD, we can see exactly all the parts inside it, and the heatsink will sit exactly on top of here to cover these parts to hopefully dissipate the heat a little bit better, especially because this is an NVMe SSD. You will be reading and writing at a higher speed, so it is important to keep this cool to make sure we don't have any heat issues down the line. So including a heatsink in the box is a really nice feature, and it also looks a little bit better than a naked M.2 on top of your motherboard. At least in my opinion, I think it's a nice look to have on top of it. Anyway guys, that's everything you get inside the XPG SX8200 SSD. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you find these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.